Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I've got another bag tour for you, and today's bag is this beautiful British tan station bag. So the style number for station bags was 5130, and I believe this one was likely made in the 80s, but I don't know the exact year that it would have been made. But it does actually have the Creed stamped in the front pocket, which you see with some of the earlier station bags. And this one looks like it was probably never used, which is pretty cool and somewhat rare to find, I would say, with vintage bags. Finding one that's, you know, probably about 40 years old that was never used, you know, 30 to 40 years old anyway. So I'll go ahead and give you a close-up view now. So here's the front and here's the top handle. Here's the side, and the crossbody strap attaches here. Here's the back, here's the other side, and here's the front again. And then here's what the bottom looks like. And I'll go ahead and show you the crossbody strap now. So here's the crossbody strap, and it does have a one-sided hang tag. And I don't know if you can see very well on camera, but the bag does have a little bit of contrast stitching, which is kind of cool. I haven't seen that yet on another station bag, so maybe that was something that they did on the earlier station bags. And the bag also does come with this little Coach booklet, so that's pretty cool. And then I'll go ahead and show you the inside. So it does have a gusseted pocket here in front, and then like I mentioned, the Creed is in there. I'll go ahead and also insert a photo so you can see the Creed a little bit better. And then this is just what the inside looks like. It does have a pretty deep slip pocket, so like I mentioned, or like I showed you, the back doesn't have a pocket, but it does have a pocket here in the front, and then also one inside the bag. So anyway, that's the station bag. I should also mention you can of course carry it as a top handle bag, or you can attach the strap and carry it as a crossbody. And I would also just add in that I think this is a great bag for traveling if you need to pack a bag that you can easily fit in a suitcase, because it is pretty narrow, so you could always throw it into a suitcase and then it holds quite a bit but wouldn't take up a ton of space in your suitcase. So that's just kind of a little added bonus tip. But otherwise, that's the station bag. I will of course link it below in our Etsy shop if you want to look at it and check it out further. Otherwise, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next bag tour.